y'all, welcome back to the channel. So look at it, just look at it. Ain't she nice? Listen, this bob, attitude, flavor, spice, a little something something extra, and everything nice. Okay, are we like, no, because what excuse me? Now that I've slimmed down and everything, like this bob make my neck look long. Listen, today's unit is from Nadula, and you know Nadula has some really great hair. I'm sure you guys know the names by now, okay? Because yeah, if it ain't good hair, it don't make it on here. Okay, I didn't land on Plymouth Rock. Okay, so first of all, the texture, it's giving our hair, but relax, let's just get that out the way. Okay, natural vibe, can have a little bump. Okay, and this is doing really well, because if you know anything about Yaki hair, you know that Yaki hair is hard to hold a curl, but you can definitely get away with a little bump. It's going to last, it's going to be fine. Okay, you can definitely do some little swoops in the front. You could do a side swoop. Okay, you ain't got to be done with the swoops. The lace, excuse me. Okay, well, I would have to do something with that middle part, but just to give you a little taste, like, hello, are we okay? What are we doing? Like, hello? Vibe. Okay, but let's put it back in the center, because I want to wear it in the center. Like, I'm feeling it in the center. How beautiful is this? And she's full, she has bounce, she's full of movement. As soon as you turn your head, movement. Hello, like your hair is saying hello too, you know what I mean? Like, it ain't just you feel me? She is stunning, she is full, she is rich, honey. She is rich. She's giving rich auntie vibes as well. She is so nice. Oh, and the way it frames the face, listen, a bob, okay, will make the mug pretty. A bob, like, okay, if you're single, I'm gonna help you out. Okay, girl, you sitting in this, you sitting in the restaurant, you're just over there sipping your little Kool-Aid or whatever it is that you drinking, your little margarita, whatever it is that you drinking, okay? And you're just sitting there, and you just nonchalant, you're just scrolling through your phone, you're just chilling. The hair is speaking for you. As soon as he walks in, he notices you. Oh, he doesn't notice all these other girls with the weave down their back. He is looking at you. Okay? He sees something completely different when he looks at you. He said, who that? It's giving she got her stuff put together. It's giving she's about her business. She is not to be played with. She has sense. She looks like she has sense. That's what it's giving this bar. It's giving I have a few thousand in the bank account. I'm good. Okay, don't come over here with the foolishness. All right, your girl is good. It's bringing out a whole complete different personality in me. I truly do love this. Listen, I'm not going to ramble too much. This was really, really easy to style, by the way, because a lot of the work was the lace disappearing. Okay, it's not glued down, y'all. Okay, I don't have it glued down at all. Disappearing. Stunning. Oh wait, hold on. How beautiful is that? Okay, she is stunning. The lace, oh, and it has that drawstring in the back. Y'all know how I feel about that drawstring. That drawstring really does help the lace to feel really nice and snug. Okay, and the drawstring is powerful, because if you pull it too tight, yeah, if you pull it too tight, okay, been there, had to learn. Okay, you don't need to pull it that tight, just relax a little bit. But baby, the hair is hairing, the lace is lacing, the bob is bobbing, everything is just naduling. Okay, Nadula is naduling with this one. Like, this is just beautiful. I have hair on my lip. Hello, she's stunning. She is stunning. I love this. 10 out of 10. Go and get it right now. Okay, especially with the summer coming around, you want to be out with a little sundress. Like, you know how cute this is gonna look with dresses, like anything. Like, oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, I still love my long hair, but this is a statement piece. A bob, a woman with shorter hair, is just a statement piece altogether. If you know, you know. Make sure you check out Nadula. Everything will be listed in the description box. And without further ado, let's get right on in to the styling of the video.
Your friends chillin', day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. For the ones you love, it's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. You're all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me.
Yes, y'all. Like, I genuinely, I like this. This is really, really, really pretty. Let's do a little side swoop really, really quick. Okay, just to show you how quick it can be. Is my thing still on? Do a little side swoop. You know I love a good side swoop too. Okay, side swoop bob. Okay, we is bobbing. Okay. She is stunning, y'all. Is it? Take it aside. We are right. Look at that. Like, this is like evening. You know what I'm saying? Like a little evening vibe. You know, like it's just glamorous. All together is just really pretty. Ooh. Do you see that? Do you see the little swoop up there? Like, how pretty is this? Stop. It is gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Listen, this hair, super easy to style. Ooh. I woke up like this. It is super easy to style. It's definitely, ooh, this is gonna be good for the office. Like the woman who just, you know, want that really mature, sophisticated look. Look at that. Look at that. Stunning, 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 stunning. I love this. 10 out of 10. I do recommend this unit. This is so pretty. So pretty. The hair is silky. The hair is smooth. And it's that Yaki texture. Like I said, love Yaki. Will always love Yaki. Yaki will always have a special place in my heart. Because, yeah, nothing compliments a black woman than hair with a little bit of texture. And for us, it's going to be Yaki. All the time. All the time. All the time. Look at that. I love this. Hubby saw me a while ago. He was like, oh my gosh, so pretty. Because it just does something, you know what I'm saying? Like, look at it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that little bob on you, that little short hair. I've been looking into the short hairs lately, you know what I'm saying? Like, just switch it up a little bit, something sexy on them, you know what I'm saying? Little 90s fine. Being an 80s baby, I know about them 90s fine. 90s fine was a different type of fine, okay? It cannot be replicated. Well, I'm gonna take that back. It can be replicated, okay? We just need to tap in. We need to tap in and lock in. But 90s fine was mystery, man. Listen, anyways, that's a whole nother topic for a whole nother day. I love the hair. 10 out of 10. I do recommend, honey. She is beautiful. Make sure you check out Nadula. Everything will be listed in the description box for you. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. Hello. Okay, comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Share the video. Share it. Share it. If you ain't got nobody to share it with, that's cool. That's cool. Go ahead and just comment and like. I appreciate that. But if you can share it, I would really appreciate it. And whoever you send it to will appreciate it too. Okay, because sharing is caring. All right. Anyways, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon. Ooh.